We can update the charter in our back office. In the charter module, we have got various segments which are available: manage aircraft, manage charter, manage costing, view allotment summary, manage PNR, manage allotment, and manage agent allotment. In this session, we'll go one by one and we'll check all the details. First, we have to enter the details for manage aircraft. In manage aircraft, the details which we have to update in the system are: first, we have to enter the aircraft type code. So we are taking it as an Airbus 1211. Type name we have to give as Airbus 1211. Manufacturer, aircraft capacity, maximum infants allowed, and we click on save. Once this data has been saved, you'll get a message onto the screen: record inserted successfully. After that, we have to enter the details: what are inclusions and exclusions in the flight. Whatever the information which is a part of inclusion and exclusion, that would be like baggage, cabin or luggage, or the meals. We can enter the details over here, and once we add it, it will get added onto that particular charter. As you could see on the system, we have got some test data available: infant seat, extra leg seat, dinner, lunch, premium, and the other. The additional cost, whatever components which are chargeable onto the flight, we can add it from here, as in like non-veg meal, drinks, Indian meal, mass, etc. After updating up all the details over here, then we'll go to the next module, which is manage charter. We'll click on manage charter, and all the details we have to update it over here. So if this is a charter from a particular destination to a particular destination, so we'll update the name of the airport: Del DLR, as in Delhi Bangalore. We'll update it. Select supplier as in charter. Select aircraft type, as we have updated aircraft type Airbus 1211. Then we'll select the includes and excludes in the one. If there are any stops in it, then we have to update it like this. Then the airline code, the flight number, departure airport, departure date, departure time, departure terminal, arrival airport, arrival date, arrival time, if there is any baggage or cabin baggage or luggage, the check-in baggages are allowed, we'll update that information. Status as in active, and we'll click on save. After entering this data, the system will save this information, and after updating the charter flight details, the system will show it over here. Then we'll go to the next option, that is manage costing. In the manage costing, we have to update the charges which are applicable for that particular flight. We have to give the rate name, so we'll take it as in Del BLR 1. Cabin class, we give you the provision of updating the prices as per the class. So by default for the testing, we are going to take as an economy. flight which we have to select, for which flight we are updating up information. So it's Delhi Bangalore. We can select the classes one by one, or we can also select all. By selecting multi-leg, it will only show it in the return fare. So we can leave it blank. Then we have to update the prices over here as an adult price. So we are taking it as in US dollar. So it is 300. You could also select the currency from here. We have given you the provision of updating the currency. So the adult price we have entered 300, child price we are entering as in 250, infant price 200, and the taxes which are applicable for that particular category of flyer, that is adult, child, and infant. Total seats which are there, which we got in the charter, we are taking as in 50, rest seats as in 50. Booking period, we have to select from which date to which date it is allowed to book for this particular charter. Validity, from which date till which date it will be available. If there is a particular day on which this flight is available, we can select. Otherwise, we can select and opt for all days. If we have selected for one particular day, it will only show for that particular day itself. If there is any additional cost which is applicable, we can select from here. Status, we have to keep it as inactive and click on save. Once the system saves the data, again we are going to get a pop-up on the screen, record inserted successfully. After that, we'll go and check the allotment summary. We can select the name, Delhi Bangalore 1, which we have given it. We can search for it, and system will show us the allotment which are available as on day wise, 4th March onwards. You could see it is available till 31st March. So whatever the seats that's going to be sold for a day, it will be updated over here in the sold seats. If there are any seats which are blocked by us from the back office, it will be shown over here. So if we click on to any particular day, the details will be shown across. After the allotment summary, we have got the option. We give you the option to update the PNR. Over here, first we have to select the rate for which period it is, or for which rate. As the system will show you, it is the depart days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The validity period, valid to valid from. Then we are going to update the PNR number. If we have different PNRs for different days, we can update it. Or if we have common PNR for all days, we can update it. If the PNR is not updated, the booking will go through, but the PNR will not be shown or updated. So it is always suggested to update the PNR if it is available. Otherwise, we can update it later in the booking itself. In the similar way, we will be updating up the PNR onto the account. We have left a few days back, as in for the testing purpose. We click on save, and the PNR will be saved for the charter flight. After updating the PNR, we have got the option the system has given us, manage allotment, wherein we could see if there is any allotment that has been given to any agent for a particular day. So first we can select the rate, for which rate we are talking about, we are searching for. As you could see, there is no allotment that has been given. And in the system we also get an option to manage agent allotment. Like for a particular agent, if any agent calls us and asks that like to hold up or book for that particular day, so we can go ahead and allot that particular day's seat for that particular agent, or the number of seats what the agent is seeking for. So first we have to select the rate name, and then we can select the agent, for which agent we are talking about, and then the day, how many seats we want to allot the particular agent, and for which day we can select it from here, and we can click on save. This is a complete process how you can update the charter details in the system in GenX back office.